How do you negotiate a win-win situation for all parties? I've been in real estate for a long time. A long time. I wish I wasn't in real estate for, well, I'm very happy that I'm in real estate, but sometimes it shows my age now when you've been in real estate for over 10, 15 years. When you get a win-win situation, I truly feel that that's the best way to learn how to negotiate in a long term. It keeps you sane. If you have a lot of values like I do, I think it is a great method of negotiating. Now, sometimes, the rare occasions you can't get a win-win situation, some people become sharks and it's not a fun negotiation. But most of the time, if you can get a win-win situation when you negotiate, I think it's going to make everybody's world a lot smoother. So the number one thing that I think that you should do is you need to have empathy, and that means you need to listen. So if you can listen to the other party and really hear what they want, I think, and your own party as well, I think that's going to go a long ways of helping you with the negotiation. Some people want items in the house. Some people want a different closing date. Some people have different needs. Some people, lots of people, are very price sensitive. So really listen to those terms, because if my party doesn't care when we close, but the other party does, that's something that can be moved around a little bit, and we can really help that out. If my party really wants some security in the transaction, a little bit more down payment would be nice. A little bit more earnest money would be nice. A little bit more option money would be nice. So those types of things are ways that you get win-win situations and have smooth transactions. The second thing that I recommend is you need to respond very quickly to text messages and calls. Now, you need to pay attention and be smart, but it's very important when you have a transaction that's going on that you're reading the correspondence and you're communicating well and in a timely fashion. This is one thing that will make or break real estate agents. If you can't communicate timely and if you can't communicate well, you probably shouldn't be in real estate. So always work on your communication. The more experience you have, the better you get at communicating. The more situations you see, the easier they are when they come around the second, the third time. So have patience with yourself, do these little tips, and I think it'll help you out. Thanks.